Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Claudia, and in this video I am going to share with you finally the DIY pieces that I put together from 3 pieces that I really loved, and they were white originally, but then as time went on and I wore them, they became very dingy, but I didn't want to get rid of them because they were still a great quality. So what I did was I showed you in the video, I did the DIY on those pieces, and then I shared the pieces with you. And in this video, I'm going to wear them and show you how they came out, and then mix and match them with other pieces in my wardrobe so that you can see how I made a week and a weekend with the pieces. So let's get this video started. And I have this little gray wig because I said, okay, I like this one. I got it from Amazon. I got this one from Amazon. It's a cute little cheapy wig, but I love the color and the cut. So I was like, it matches all the outfits. It should. With the gray, we'll see. And I just like the coloring of it. So let's see how I put these together. And this is the first look. Let me get this back. So this is the top. I showed you the way it came out with the patterns. Using amber lights and a ring light, so it's giving it a different sort of appeal. I want it smoky, kind of like perhaps a club atmosphere. I'm working on the bod. Pandemic pounds, be gone. These faux pockets will make you want to put your hand right here or your finger. So I put a white belt on with it because of the white and beige coming through in the pattern. I paired it with these black. Yes. So these are just so cute. But this is the outfit. Okay. Same top, different pants. On the pants. And here is the little white t-shirt that I'm looking in my mirror over here in my little viewfinder. And here is a little white t-shirt that I tie-dyed to go with something different.
you so much for watching. I did enjoy making this video with my revamped DIY clothing. And those pants, those white pants, those are different ones. They have several buttons down the leg. The other had one or two. Oh my goodness. I loved it. I loved it. We'll see you in the next video. Yeah. Bye. Besitos y abracitos a todo el mundo. Little kisses and hugs to everyone. Bye.